Now let's move to the 23rd. So the 23rd question is, when radiation of wavelength lambda is used to illuminate a metallic surface, the stopping potential is V. When the same surface is illuminated with radiation of wavelength 3 lambda, the stopping potential is V by 4. If the threshold wavelength for the metallic surface is n lambda, then value of n will be, so let's move to the solution. So we have hc by lambda is equal to 5 plus EV. hc upon 3 lambda is equal to 5 plus EV upon 4. So equation 1 upon equation 2 gives us 3 phi is equal to 3 EV upon 4 plus 5 plus EV. 2 phi is equal to EV by 4. So we have the value of phi as EV upon 8. So hc by lambda is equal to 9 by 8 EV. So we have phi is equal to 1 by 9 hc by lambda. So hc by lambda is equal to hc upon 9 lambda.